What's up, everybody, and welcome to another episode of WLAT Productions. Today, we're going to be looking at my Traxxas Rustler. Now, if you have seen any of my other videos, then you know that I love to punish this thing. I decided to go ahead and upgrade it all with RPM parts. Now, the reason that I chose RPM parts is simple. Number one, they are supposed to be very, very, very durable. Number two, they are said to have a lifetime warranty on them. So, if I accidentally break something on this while I'm putting it through the test, I should be able to go back and get parts replaced on it for free. So, that being said, let's go test it out.